Hi, we're back on the old Detleff. As you can see, I've removed the roof because the shape of it isn't what I want. I'll show you a photo of old Detleff. It's from 1954, and you can see that the shape of the roof is totally different. It's not similar at the front and the end. It's high in the front and low in the end. So I'm gonna build in the next few days a new roof for our little Dethleffs. As you can see, I've been able to retrieve all the old trim, and I hope that I can reuse it on the new roof so that when it's all painted you can see the difference. I'll show you a few of the things from nearby. Well, here we have a nice photograph of the Dethleffs camper. It's from a leaflet of 1967, so 10 years younger than the one we are restoring. And as you can see, the shape of the roof is totally different to the shape of the roof that came with our camper. Well, that meant that I took off the roof, and now I've tried to make the shape the way I want it to be. So I put a piece of paper on some board, and as you can see, this is about the shape I want it to be. So now it's time to continue on building the roof. We have had a bit of snow the last few days. It was quite cold, but now that it's melting again and with the heater on, I can carry on. Well, I've made the two sides. I've made the back side, the front, and this in the middle. And with my trusty multi-tool, I've made these slots over here and to the back, and it's time to place these into the own slots, and that's what I'm gonna do. Therefore I'm using glue. It's inside on the heater, and some gloves. This is the glue, and because if you get this glue on your hands, it's terrible to get it off again. So I'm protecting myself a little bit. There we go. While building, I've numbered these pieces of wood so that I can slot them in the right position. This is number one. There we go. Well, I trust that's going to be the main construction of the roof, and it's ready to be surfaced off and cladded. Well, I just finished the construction of the roof. It has to be cladded with a special wood, and I've ordered it, but it isn't in yet. So now I'm gonna tackle this hideous front side, because it shouldn't be there. Someone thought it was a good idea to make this and put in a water bottle and a gas bottle, but the gas bottle is heavy and you can't even extract the water bottle. It's stuck in the construction, so I'm gonna get rid of it. And I want to make something in the front the same as in the picture. As you can see, there's nothing. It's just the round front, and I think that's much prettier than the thing they built in the front of my little camper, the field mouse. We call it the field mouse. Well, okay, I'm gonna start with it. as you can see, that looks a lot better. The hideous thing is gone, and that's like it should be. There are two little spots where the disc hit the good steel, so I have to weld them. It's no problem. It's just a little job. And now everything is smooth. There are no traces of any welding. So that's ready.
Guess what? It's Hitchcraft. It's Hitchcraft.